There are a couple of ways to search for landscape companies and landscape jobs in the PERM database. The first one is the company NAICS Code. 561730 is the code for landscape companies. And this is going to show data for the second and third quarters of 2021. You can see the employer name, the type of worker they're petitioning for, and the offered wage. And this, you can just kind of scroll through. This goes down to just 500 entries, so there are more, and it's just June through September 2021. But you can kind of see the types of landscape companies that are using the EB-3 program. And the second way is through the job title code, the SOC code. Landscape laborers is 373011. And this shows, actually, no, 373011, what happened there? 373011, there we go. Okay, landscape and groundskeeping workers, landscape laborer. We can see the offered salary, the companies, the zip code where they're working. And again, this is from this Justice 500. It just covers June through September 2021. And you get a sense of the different types of landscape companies that are using the EB-3 program.